Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I just purchased a set of 4 of these tires. These are the Kumo tires, Solus T831, and then the size is 195, 65 R15. A couple of years ago I purchased a set of 4 from one of the mechanic shop, and it was like $200, but they mounted and everything for me because I told them I check on eBay. It was like $200, so they matched the price and installed it for me, which is pretty good. So this set I got it for $179, although there are some other seller was selling for $162, but the feedback on the other seller wasn't good, so I purchased from this seller. But unfortunately they shipped this out without the plastic rubber, just the tire by itself, and I'm not sure why they painted red. Some of the paint got on the tire. I'm going to send a communication to the seller to see what's going on, because it got on the side, so which is not good. And I don't know why they did not wrap it with the plastic wrapper to reserve, so when the customer receives it, it looks pretty new. And it looks kind of trashed out right now because it was inside the FedEx truck. So as you can see, you guys see like scratches or dirt. Let me remove the camera, maybe you guys can see it better. So I don't think that, I'm not sure if the paint's gonna come out. That looks like a spray paint. And then there's another one right here. So I guess they're afraid of a seller might swap them out and take out a sticker or something, and then just swap it on the other tire and return it or something like that. I'm not sure what is the old deal. And as you can see, this is like an old paint that they sprayed on there. As you can see, a couple of the scratches right here on the side, right here, which is not good. That's why the reason I bought the new tire, so it looked new. So there's a pretty good threading. And I'm not sure why they put the metal against this sidewall, which is not good for tire. Hopefully it's not going to puncture or anything like that. And then there's scratches and stuff like that. I know the tire doesn't matter, but when you want, as a consumer, if you receive it, you want to have it in like a good condition instead of that dirty looking like this. I'm not sure if the rubber is rub off already or something. Yeah. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. I'm gonna talk to communicate with the seller. Maybe they could give me some of the refund bag or something. Sometimes you complain and they may give you like I don't know what's he gonna do, 20% or 10% knockoff. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.